Hey everyone, welcome back to Manny Maker. If you've got a Silhouette Cameo sitting on your desk, flashing that mysterious blinking white light, and it's just not cutting like it should, then don't worry. It happens to a lot of us. But what should you do to fix it? We will get to that in a moment. In this video, I'm gonna share some super easy steps to get your Cameo back up and running smoothly. Alright, now let's go through two simple methods to fix that blinking white light. Method 1. Perform power cycle. First of all, you have to press the power button to turn it off. Then, remove both power cable and USB cable from the Silhouette Cameo machine. Once your machine is disconnected, just wait for a minute. After 1 minute, simply plug the USB and the power cable into your machine. Alright, once you plug the cable back into the ports and turn the printer on, check if that fixes the problem. If not, don't worry, you can move on to the second method and reset your machine. Method 2. Reset the machine. First of all, make sure your Silhouette Cameo is completely powered off and unplugged. That's really important for your safety. Once it's off, you have to grab the blade carriage and gently push it all the way to the right side. Now, bring the carriage back to where it started, and you're gonna repeat this back and forth motion 2 more times. Just remember, when you're done, the carriage should be resting in its original position. Finally, plug your Cameo back in and press the power button to turn it on. And that's it, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.